In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, finding time for self-care can be the challenge. However, treating yourself to a spa-like experience doesn't always require a trip to the salon. One fantastic way to rejuvenate your skin and relax your senses is by giving yourself a steam facial at home. Not only is it an easy and affordable beauty ritual, but it also comes with a myriad of skin benefits. So let's dive into the world of self-pampering and discover the secrets to achieving that coveted post-spa glow without leaving the comfort of your home. The basics of a steam facial. Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, let's understand why a steam facial is a game-changer for your skin. Steam helps to open up your pores, allowing for a deeper cleanse by removing dirt, oil, and impurities. It also enhances blood circulation, promoting a natural, healthy glow. Here's how you can create your own spa experience at home. Step 1. Gather your supplies. To get started, collect the following items. 1. A bowl of hot water. Boil water and transfer it to a heat-resistant bowl. You can add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus for a soothing aroma. 2. Towel. Grab a large towel to create a tent over your head, trapping the steam. 3. Cleanser. Choose a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. 4. Exfoliator, optional. If your skin needs a little extra love, incorporate a mild exfoliator into your routine. 5. Face mask, optional. After steaming, treat your skin to a hydrating or detoxifying face mask. Step 2. Cleanse your face. Start with a clean canvas. Use your favorite facial cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities from your skin. Gently massage the cleanser in circular motions, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Step 3. Steam it up. Position your face over the bowl of hot water and drape the towel over your head, creating a makeshift tent. Make sure the towel covers the sides of the bowl to trap the steam effectively. Relax and enjoy the steam for about 10-15 minutes. This is the perfect time to let your mind wander or practice some deep breathing exercises for added relaxation. Step 4. Pat your skin dry. Once you've had your steam session, gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Be sure not to rub your skin, as it can be more sensitive after steaming. Step 5. Optional, exfoliate. If you feel like your skin could benefit from a bit of exfoliation, now is the time to do it. Use a mild exfoliator and apply it in gentle, circular motions. Rinse thoroughly. Step 6. Apply a face mask. Take advantage of your open pores by applying a nourishing face mask. Choose a mask that suits your skin's needs, whether it's hydrating, detoxifying, or calming. Leave the mask on for the recommended time, then rinse it off. Step 7. Moisturize. Seal in all the goodness by applying your favorite moisturizer. Opt for a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula to keep your skin hydrated without clogging your pores. Additional tips and advice. Frequency. Limit steam facials to once a week to avoid overstimulating your skin. Temperature. Be cautious with the water temperature. It should be hot, but not scalding. Test it with your hand before placing your face over the steam. Sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, consult with a dermatologist before incorporating steam facials into your routine. Variations. Experiment with different essential oils or herbs in your steam to customize the experience based on your preferences. Hydration. Drink plenty of water after your steam facial to stay hydrated and maximize the benefits for your skin. Congratulations! You've just embarked on a journey to spa-like bliss within the confines of your home. By incorporating a steam facial into your self-care routine, you not only pamper your skin but also indulge in a moment of relaxation amidst your busy schedule. Remember, self-care is a personal journey, and finding what works best for you is key. So go ahead, treat yourself to this rejuvenating experience and let your skin thank you for the extra love and care. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.